It was just a few years ago when I was in your shoes. Every month when I would get my period, I was absolutely devastated. It wasn't fair. Why did it seem so easy for everybody else to get pregnant, and why was it so hard for me? I was 34 years old when I first started trying to conceive, 1 year shy of geriatric, but I was overall really healthy. So I knew it might not happen right away, but I definitely was not expecting the full extent of medical drudgery, all the tests, all the expensive supplements. I definitely wasn't expecting how confusing and overwhelming it would be just to get some clear answers about what it would take to get me pregnant. If you're there, I get it. Luckily, with my background, I'm a registered dietitian and I was trained at the National Institutes of Health. So I was able to dive fast and furious into the medical literature, get some strategic testing done, and then use this key information to put together a plan, get a lot of consistency going on, and finally get pregnant. And now I am the proud mama of 2 baby boys. This dream is possible for you too. You are meant to be a mom, and I can help you make it happen. Hi, I'm Anna. I'm Fertility Nutritionist, and I have developed a 5-step, really simple process called Fertile in 5. And this method has proven time and again to help women get pregnant more quickly and more easily. So if you've been trying to conceive for too many frustrating months, if you've been given some BS diagnosis like unexplained infertility, don't take that as an answer. Or if you have PCOS or endometriosis, I can help you. I offer a free 30-minute fertility strategy session so that we can get to know each other, make sure it's a great fit, and put together an action plan that's going to get you pregnant. I can't wait to work together and make you the mom you are meant to be.